Hi students, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In the last class, we have discussed some characteristics of a topology in terms of neighborhoods. Okay, in this class, I'll solve some examples by using properties of neighborhoods and by using the concept of topology. Example, let X be a non-empty set. For each element X belongs to H, Nx be the collection of all subsets of X containing X. Show that Nx satisfies the following conditions. Here, X is a non-empty set and this X is a member of X. Nx is the collection of all subsets of this X which contains small x elements X. Here we have to show that first one, Nx is a non-empty for any element X belongs to X. Second condition, N belongs to Nx implies X is a element of N. Second property. Third one, N belongs to Nx, K is a superset of N, then K belongs to Nx. Fourth one, N1 belongs to Nx, N2 belongs to Nx implies N1 intersection N2 belongs to Nx. Fifth one, N belongs to Nx implies there exists M belongs to Nx such that M contained in N and M belongs to Ny for every Y belongs to M. Also, if tau be the family of collection of those subsets G of X which satisfies these conditions, which satisfies the condition X belongs to G implies G belongs to neighborhood of a point X, then show that tau is the discrete topology for X. Okay. Here we have to show that tau is a discrete topology. Okay. For each X belongs to X, Nx be the collection of all subsets of X containing X. First one, X belongs to X. X belongs to X implies X is also an element of the neighborhood Nx. Okay. X belongs to X implies X belongs to Nx. X belongs to this set. Therefore, Nx is non-empty set. This is first condition. Second one, according to the given hypothesis X contained in each member of X. It is given that X is containing in each member of X. Therefore, N belongs to Nx implies X belongs to N. This is second one. Third one, N belongs to Nx and K is the superset of N. N belongs to Nx, nothing but X belongs to N. X belongs to N contained in K. N is a subset of K. This implies X belongs to K. This implies K belongs to Nx. Third one, N1 belongs to Nx and N2 belongs to Nx implies X belongs to N1 and X belongs to N2 by using this by the definition of Nx. N belongs to Nx implies X belongs to N. N1 belongs to Nx implies X belongs to N1. X belongs to N1, X belongs to N2 implies X belongs to N1 intersection N2. This implies N1 intersection N2 belongs to Nx. Okay. Fourth one, by the definition of Nx, a subset N of X has the property that N belongs to Nx for every X belongs to N. Thus, for each N belongs to Nx, for every N belongs to Nx, such that N contained in N and N contained in Nx for every X belongs to N. Hence, all the required properties are satisfied by Nx. Now, tau be the collection of all those subsets G of X which satisfies the condition G belongs to Nx for every X belongs to G. Clearly, every subset of X satisfies these conditions. Consequently, every subset of X is in a tau. Hence, every subset of X is in a tau, nothing but tau is the discrete topology. Next theorem, let X be a non-empty set. For each X belongs to X, let there be associated a non-empty collection Nx of subsets of X satisfying the following conditions. Here X is a non-empty set and each element of X belongs to X. There be a collection Nx of subsets of X which satisfy the following properties. First one, N belongs to Nx implies X is an element of N. N1 and N2 are belongs to Nx, nothing but their intersection is also belongs to Nx. Let tau be the family consisting of pi and all those non-empty subsets G of X having the property that X belongs to G implies there exists a N belongs to Nx such that X belongs to N contained in G. Then tau is a topology for X. Here we have to show that tau is a topology for X by using these conditions. Okay, let tau be the tau satisfy all the following properties. First one, it is given that tau be the family consisting of phi, therefore phi belongs to tau, given. Second one, let X belongs to X, then there exists a neighborhood of a point X which is non-empty. Let N belongs to Nx, then X belongs to N. This is given condition. First condition, N belongs to Nx, then implies X belongs to N which belongs to X, therefore X belongs to tau. This is by using property 1. Let the collection G alpha such that alpha belongs to A be any collection of sets in tau. Then X belongs to union of this collection. X belongs to union of this collection, nothing but X belongs to G alpha for some alpha belongs to A. But X belongs to G alpha and G alpha belongs to tau. Then there exists N belongs to Nx such that X belongs to N, N contained in G alpha contained in union of collection of G alpha. This shows that this belongs to tau. This is third property. Let G1 and G2 be any two sets. Let X belongs to G1 intersection G2. X belongs to G1 and X belongs to G2. Then there exists N1 belongs to Nx and N2 belongs to Nx such that X belongs to N1 contained in G1. This is by the definition of neighborhood of a point. And X belongs to N2 contained in G2. This implies X belongs to N1 intersection N2 which contained in G1 intersection G2, where N1 intersection N2 belongs to Nx. This shows that G1 intersection G2 belongs to tau, hence tau is a topology for X.